ACRO Automation Systems is driven to be your custom solution provider. Once a bus is sensed to be in place, an inverted robot mounted on a gantry will pick a windshield from the proper dunnage rack using a part present camera and suction cups. The robot then positions the windshield on a squaring table for precise positioning. The quarter glass station advances and the robot retrieves a left and right hand piece. The glass is then positioned over the sealant dispense head and applies a bead around the perimeter of both pieces. The glass is then returned to the quarter glass station and shuttled out to an operator where they will be manually installed onto the bus. The robot returns to the windshield, picks it, and moves it to the dispense head to apply sealant to its perimeter. A 2D camera verifies that the sealant bead is consistent. The robot will then move the windshield over the safety fence and outside of the cell to the bus frame opening. The robot's end-of-arm tooling is fitted with 3D cameras that will scan the front of the bus to verify specific features and instantly calculate measurements of its position. The windshield's position is adjusted to match the bus frame opening and placed onto the bus, creating a watertight seal with just enough pressure. The robot then returns home and waits for the next bus to arrive.